getting excited. Alright, today on the Singing Shift, we're going to do the pork and burger. No, not doing nothing nasty with a piece of meat. Sorry, none of that today. Okay, anyway, the pork and burger. This time I've actually prepared one first. I didn't put it in the buns yet. Oh, in the buns. Get it? Okay. Anyway, here's what it looks like. Yummy. Made with pork and beef. That's a very tasty burger. Well, you'll see what. Here's what it looks like in the bun. The bun, the meat. There you go. But I usually put my favorite condiment, honey mayonnaise, on it. So let's go ahead and I'll put that on there. I've actually already eaten one, so I made two a while ago. So just put your honey mayonnaise on both sides. You can put whatever else you want on it. Anything goes on it. And there you go. The pork and burger. Alright, let me set that aside. I'll probably eat that after the show. Okay, anyway. Here's what we do. I'm going to use some gloves so I don't get all dirty. Alright. I'm going to take a mixing bowl, of course, so you can blend it together really good. And I got some pork sausage, not any kind of maple flavor or with flavor, just pretty much pork, and then beef, of course. And I'm going to put about half and half in the bowl. Alright. And put some salt and pepper. Then I'm going to blend it together. Blending, 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 blending. Look at that technique. Woo, look at it blending, flipping and blending. Blending and flipping, flipping and blending, blending and flipping. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright, now, I've decided to add some extra ingredients because I thought about it. I don't have any mushrooms, but sometimes I put mushrooms in it. But what I'm going to add, make a little flag right here, make a hole. Alright, I'm going to put some shredded cheddar cheese. Cheddar makes it better, right, Angie? Alright. Put some cheddar in it. I got bacon bits too. Put about the same amount of bacon bits. That makes it more porky. It's super porky. This is a super porkin' burger. It's really porkin'. Alright. Look at that porker. What a porker. It'll make you a porker too. Probably not the healthiest food to eat, okay? And if you're Muslim, I don't think you can have it because it's got pork in it or whatever. So, sorry, Muslims. Sorry. Alright, anyway. And I'm going to put some garlic. I have some minced garlic that's about to run out. So, I'm pretty much going to put most of all of that in there. Oh, just dump it. Just get it all out there. I get paid tomorrow, or at midnight, so I'll be making a trip back to the store. Probably get some more minced garlic. I use garlic powder a lot, but I like minced garlic. We'll get all that out of there. All the garlicky goodness. And that's pretty much all you put in it. And I'll go ahead and get my flame going here. My flame ran out a while ago, but just in case, more butane is ready. You don't want to put a high heat because you want to make sure it cooks all the way through. Plus the cheese in it is going to get a little darker than the rest of the meat. So put it on a low flame. And we mix all this together. And that's pretty much it. You got your bacon, cheddar, and garlic, salt and pepper. Just blend it in there really good. You could probably put the cheese in the middle if you want to make two little patties and then smash it in the middle. But I didn't make the other one like that, so I'll make this one like this. All right. Yeah, I didn't use my acoustic for the theme song. I used my electric guitar. But your amp, of course, landed. Only thing I got right now. Jim's bugging me to get my PA back. But I need more money. I worked 38 hours last week. Thought it was going to be 40, but I clocked out. I'm like, okay, I don't know how that happened. I thought I left right on time to get 40. I didn't want to get them into overtime and get them into trouble. Now I got bigger buns, so I'll make bigger patties. So, about that size right there. And there's what it looks like. If you're doing it right. And then we'll just slap it on there. And let it cook. Fall apart. Smash it in the pan. Kind of smash it out if you got bigger buns. Smash it out bigger than the bun, because it's, if you're using more fatty or even the meat, so it'll shrink up. But put a couple of those in there. I'll probably just make patties in some plastic bags. You can make patties and put in some plastic bags, and then you can actually use the plastic bag as a glove. Grab a ball of it, and then you can just smash it in the plastic bag. You don't even have to get all this stuff all over you. So I don't like getting stuff on me. I got OCD. I don't like things dirty. I don't like things neat. Everything nice and neat and have its place. Anyway, so that's it. That easy. The pork and burger, super pork and burger with bacon goodness. Here, let's jam. But this is the finished product for those that missed it earlier. This is what we got here. Porky goodness. If you want to pork it. Pork it. Oh, my new strap. There's the crosses. Isn't it cool? See you next year. That's what they say in concert. Alright, well, hey, thanks. Thank you very much. I'll be seeing you later. Bye-bye. And remember, it'll be posted in a minute, so if you miss me live, you can watch it. Bye-bye. Thanks for all the likes and all the comments. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.